guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlyn.
And today we are here because we are going to be unboxing a men's Stitch Fix unboxing. This box is for who?
Daddy.
And Daddy doesn't like to shop for himself, so we have decided that he needs this box so he can update his wardrobe. He is in desperate need of some new items in his closet, so we decided to go ahead and do this for him. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a personal styling service. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You fill out a style profile to tell your likes and your dislikes. A stylist will choose items for you. You get 5 items in your box, and it can be clothing, shoes, accessories. For men, it can be belts, ties, whatever. And so we're gonna get into this box to see what he got for his first box. When you look in the box, it does tell you the directions for what to do. You also get this prepaid mailer bag to return any items or exchange any items that you don't like. We have a You Love Stitch Fix, They Will Too. This is just suggesting Stitch Fix gift cards for Christmas. And then we have this envelope right here real quick. And this is just a Welcome to Stitch Fix card. We have the price invoice sheet, which we will look at a little bit later on. And we have a style card, and it says, well, hello there. And I'm gonna read his stylist note real quick. When I filled out his note, I suggested that they send him a mixture of clothes that could be worn casually and to church. I also asked for them to send clothes that were comfortable and just to keep the prices reasonable. So we'll see what they say. It says, hey there, Scott. Welcome to the Stitch Fix family, and thanks for giving us a try. I'm Lori, and I'm excited to start this stylish journey with you. As I'm just getting to learn your style, I would love to hear feedback on the fit and style of each piece. I hope you enjoy them, but if not, just let me know why, and we'll fine-tune your experience together. I've sent you a couple of nicer shirts to start your fix, and I've made sure to send ones great for tall guys. The first one to catch my eye for you is the one by Hoodie. I've chosen it because it has a stretch in the fabrication. You mentioned comfort is important to you, and I think you'll find it really comfortable. For your jeans fix, I've sent a straight fit pair by Alesbury. They too have some stretch and will be great for weekends or casual date nights. Enjoy, Lori. And so we have his style card right here with the pieces. So let's take a look at this bundle. So this is what his bundle looks like on this side. And we'll flip it around on that side too. Looks very nice. To start off with, we have this, let's see, Hoodie Essential Wash Stretch Shirt in navy. And they have sent him some tall sizes. It is navy, but it has like a green print on it. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's a long sleeve dress shirt, and he does need some shirts for church, so we'll see how that fits him. They sent some tall sizes, and he's pretty tall and long in the torso, so that might work well. The next is Jack Maverick Augustus dress shirt in blue, and it's also in a tall. And this has a like a plaid print here, like a thin plaid print, and the colors are like blue and purple and yellow. So I'll get close up for you to see. Long sleeve dress shirt. That would be good with some khaki pants or some dress pants for church. Next is by Fairlane. It is the Indy Performance Pique 1/4 zip, and it says it's in indigo, and this is also in a tall size. This is a little bit heavier. It has a zipper in the front. It's like a nicer pullover.
And it's also stretchy a little.
Yeah, it does have some stretch to it. And it kind of looks, it says indigo, but it almost looks like a mix of gray and blue. So this is definitely a dressier pullover. So we'll see how he likes that. Next is, it says Commerce Kolton Henley hoodie sweater in gray. And this is a more casual piece. Feels nice. Looks like a mix of grays, dark and light grays. It's got buttons on the front.
Very stretchy.
Has a hoodie.
And very stretchy.
Has a cuffed sleeve. We'll see how he likes this. He doesn't wear a lot of super casual pullovers, but we'll have him try that on and see. And then the last is a dark pair of jeans. It's by Alesbury, Dakota Straight Fit Sustainable Denim in indigo. And I think I may have messed up on the length. He needs a 32 length and these are 30. So it's just a dark wash, no distressing jean. It says straight leg. So yeah, those look nice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have Daddy try these on, and then we'll come back to let you know the prices and what he likes and what we're gonna keep. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. We have had Daddy to try on these pieces of clothing and to give us the input of how he feels about them and what he's going to keep and get rid of. So we're gonna start with the first item, which was the Jack Maverick Augustus dress shirt. And this is in blue, and this is a 2XL in a tall, and this fit him perfectly. He's looking for shirts for church, and he seemed to really like that. The cost of that shirt is, it's definitely pricey. It's $98, so he gets a discount, so that's gonna help with offset the cost of, he gets a $50 discount at the end. So the next was this Fairlane Indy Performance Pique 1/4 zip pullover. It also was a 2XL in a tall, and he liked it, but he thought it was just okay. He has something very similar to this in his closet, so he felt like this was something that he doesn't necessarily need, and the cost of that was $55. Next was the Alesbury Dakota Straight Fit Sustainable Denim. And like I said, I do think I got his jean sizes off. He liked the color. He told me that he is more of a relaxed fit jean person, and these were a straight leg jean, and they were just a little bit short, and for that reason, because they're a straight fit, he's decided not to keep them. And these are also very pricey. These are $104, which I know jeans can be pricey, but I'm definitely gonna have to tell them in his note that we would like to see his prices come down some. So next was the Hawker Rye Essential Wash stretch shirt in navy, and that was this one, and it was the navy blue with the green little, looks like snowflakes or flowers. And he really liked that one. It has a nice stretch. It fits him really well. It's also a 2XL in a tall, and he needs that tall for his torso, and he really liked this, so we're gonna be keeping this at $64. And then the last item was this Commerce Kolton Henley hoodie sweater in gray, and this is just a 2XL, and he said it was okay. He said he would prefer if the stripes would go all the way down instead of it being like, I thought it looked really good on him, but he just wasn't, he said it was okay. So for him, anything that's just okay is probably not something that he's gonna wear. So we decided to send that back, and the cost of this one was, it was the cheapest thing in the box at $49. So we're gonna keep the 2 dress shirts and send the jeans and the 2 pullovers back. The stylist picked subtotal was $370. So I have been doing Stitch Fix for over a year, and to me that was very pricey for a first box. So we're definitely gonna have to talk to him about getting those prices down. The buy all discount of 25% would take off $92.50, which would give an order subtotal of $277.50. He does have that $50 credit for signing up, and shipping would be free. So if he had kept all 5 pieces, it would have been $227.50, which is not bad for 5 dress items and casual items and jeans and things like that. But we definitely want to get those prices down for the next box. So if you have any questions about Stitch Fix, please feel free to leave that in the comment sections below, and I'll leave my referral link down there for you. If I still have that $50 credit, I'll put it in there. If not, you get a $25 credit that you can cover your first styling fee, and you can apply to anything that you keep in the box. So I think this was good for him because he doesn't like to go shopping, and so we'll probably continue to do these every so often just to kind of update and refresh his wardrobe because it definitely needs it. So until next time, bye guys.
Bye.